What if I told you that you could generate unlimited VAO 3 videos completely free? No credit card, no paid subscription, nothing. Yeah, you heard that right. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to get access to Google Flow's Pro account without spending a single dollar. This is low-key one of the most slept-on tools out right now, so make sure you watch till the end because if you miss any step, it won't work. All right, let's get into it.
Step 1. Open up any browser and search for BunnyFlow, or just hit the direct link in the description. Click on the BunnyFlow site and you'll land right on the page. So this tool hooks you up with unlimited VAO 3 videos for free, plus a bunch of other features.
Step 2. Copy your email. You can use only these emails: Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. If you use the temp mails, you will get blocked on site, so use your real email. Now, head back to the Flow by Bunny website and hit the Get Started button. Fill in a username of your choice, drop in your email, and set a password. The referral code field is totally optional, but if you plug in my code, you'll get some extra credits once the free trial wraps up. Go ahead and click Create Account. Step 3. Once you hit Create Account, you'll get a verification code sent straight to your email. Grab that code, type it in, and hit Confirm. Once that's done, you'll get redirected to your dashboard, and just like that, you're halfway through the setup. Now, pay close attention from here on out. You'll notice it shows a free unlimited 3-day trial right there on the screen. Next, head over to the Chrome Extension tab, click on it, scroll down a little, and go ahead and download the extension. Now, you'll spot the extension icon. Go ahead and click it. You'll see BunnyFlow right there, so log in with your email and password and hit Confirm. Now jump back to the BunnyFlow website and you'll see Flow Access. Click on that, type your prompt in the Prompt tab, select VO 3.1 Lite as your model, scroll down a little, pick your duration, and hit Open Flow. That'll redirect you straight into Google Flow running on their server's Pro or Ultra account, and you're good to go. That's a wrap for today, guys. If this helped you out at all, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Good luck and take care.